I'll be showing you how to boost the lifetime value of customers on your Shopify store. In this video, I'll be going over 3 core strategies you can use to really boost your lifetime value. So the first strategy you want to implement is just to get customers coming back to your store. And this fits into one of the 3 core pillars of e-commerce, and that's increasing the frequency of purchase. And so there are several strategies in which you can do so. The first one is going to be loyalty programs. So you're going to help reward repeat purchasers with points, discounts, or free shipping. Just about every retailer does this. Even places like grocery stores do this as well, where if you redeem so many points, you can get a specific item. And that's really to encourage you just to come back to them, because it's so much cheaper to acquire an existing customer than it is to go get a new one. Now, to build this from scratch would be extremely hard, but the Shopify App Store does have quite a few different apps here that make it easy to set up loyalty programs. And depending on the types of products you sell, these can really help boost that LTV, especially if it's a consumable product and they're coming back to purchase. This can come back and get them to purchase more. The next one would be to set up subscription options. So you can introduce recurring products. And this one really does fit in the consumable category. As subscription revenue is reoccurring, it's so much more consistent than that one-off sale revenue. And that's why you see huge companies that are software as a service. And it's why companies like Amazon really encourage you to get a subscription rather than to buy something one time. This also makes it easier for you to understand inventory predictions and forecasting, as you can see how many people are expecting to get that every month. And this can help drive a lot of consistency with the sales of your products. You can also get them coming back to your store just by providing an outstanding customer experience along with support. And this is going to help build trust and loyalty amongst your existing customers. An example that comes to mind is Costco. Costco is known for having really good customer support with things such as a very generous return policy. I've known people who have gone back and returned items that are way past when they should be returned and maybe didn't last as long as they expected to, but Costco takes them back. I guarantee they've done some calculation where they'd rather be loyal to their existing customers as they come back and spend more money as they trust the brand overall. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store is actually making. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time profit calculations along with tons of different analytics, metrics, and charts so you can truly understand your store's performance. It also includes a lifetime value calculation so you can get that extremely quickly. And having all this information at your fingertips is going to make it super easy for you to make smarter business decisions, as you'll have a true understanding of your store's performance rather than try to guess everything and hoping for the best. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description below for Profit Calc. And if you search Profit Calc on the Shopify App Store, you can see the logo right here. The next strategy is to engage in post-purchase. So when a customer first purchases something, they have the elation of buying something, they've made a decision, and you can get them to double down on that decision by encouraging post-purchase upsells. And that's why post-purchase upsell apps tend to convert extremely well. So this is right after you've made a sale, you get a screen saying, hey, would you like to add this relevant item as well to your order? This also helps save them on shipping costs as they can include all the items together, and this additional item is often given at a discount. Again, the Shopify App Store makes this super easy as they have tons of apps here that make it easy to add cross-sells and upsells. You can also do so in items such as a thank you email saying thank you for your purchase, here's a discount on your next order. You can also engage them to refer their friends to your store. You can give them a discount, the friend can get a discount, and this can increase the amount of customers you have and encourage that same customer to come back, increasing that LTV. You can also launch exclusive campaigns and rewards to customers who have purchased from you already. You could set up specific Facebook ads targeting people in the audience who have just purchased in the last week or so and give them discounted offers not available anywhere else. Lastly, you can personalize the experience for a customer who has purchased from you, as you'll have some data and know exactly what they're looking for. So you can tailor your marketing around what you know about them and use their purchase history to recommend specific products. And this ties in really closely with cross-selling those related products. So let's say a customer buys a barbecue, they might want to get all the accessories for it. Maybe it's a new set of cooking utensils. Maybe it's cleaners for the grill. Maybe it's an outfit you can wear while grilling that's maybe extra fireproof or something like that. There are plenty of opportunities here to make the overall product experience better by providing related items. From there, you can also customize your email campaigns by sending them personalized emails for those product recommendations, restocks, or exclusive offers. As mentioned on the previous slide as well, you can target specific marketing campaigns, targeting customers who have purchased a specific product. So this concludes the video here on how to boost the lifetime value of your existing customers, and definitely something you want to spend time looking into. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.